maame no apology or the buy no to say they were digging a phone and answer what when you apology and send a free ampa see everywhere there air woman is also said mekasana mekai segana for fail say but Erika J neti Pedro ti omukasa chirentiti na ene makonta aware mi nua ba o ye presby ni de na ko Pentecost na me busa ne say na Pentecost for kra mo nhye eti sei because ba sire ngono
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba e de bagana nsem TV so bo mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature ba also nsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me e ofe na person boan which are through number na wasi ono adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni ni beso pa so na another I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians, now of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
Maame no apology or the buy no to say they were digging a phone and answer what when you apology and send a free ampa see everywhere there air woman is also said mekasana mekai segana for fail say but Erika J neti Pedro ti omukasa chirentiti na ene makonta aware mi nua ba o ye presby ni de na ko Pentecost na me busa ne say na Pentecost for kra mo nhye eti sei because ba sire ngono ye so for penny ye friend moderator o say ansa na obetime du ba bia chairman adu no aje free dikin obo bragi asasore ba na o hwe ye hwe wa brabo na mpinifo apitawo e de wako dikin o free dikin a ebi wa ne wako di elder timakonta o ye elder na ufri elder na unemu a ye probational overseer na ufri probational overseer nso a eno nso ni nya mfie kakra de damu a na unemu a wa be ye pastor pastor nso obobre ekosora ya ye district pastor na unemu a wakoye area head na unemu a nyankopon e company fo ana onemu din komo mpai bomu a ya pejawo aye wa apostle na apostle nso Ghana nyina ehia eye Pentecost for nyina na mehwe mo population as of 2025 you know mo ye 4,464,013 mo form 13.1% of Ghana population nyina no ohemwe bupen dumiensa ene akiri po baako ene ye Pentecost asafo na ofasa mami ebetnase na wokase na ma wone na wokura na nyame ngusra enni uso na next time no ubihu na maame ne musu ne banyo ediwai oh maame na NBC for gold board o se gold board jewelry for ede na aba na moamu eko your friend say landing ya eko fancy bebre bai o ka kire ni grassroots for pin say nye chuboy eni di eni election nye chuboy nko a di grassroots for nyina atem wo de wanya baby esi udi adodode eniema wo de ye wo de wabrabo mu ho ato wabusua ho ato no nti obi nkoda baby na mami sori a wotimi di ye mami Samira Baomi atempa even dana o ka asem we no odi ye mami Samira Baomi atem na enya nwanwa yankopon se na ekura last stop baby odu besi ni say hey Apostle Eric Nyameche enipa ni enwade sa papa ye friend Apostle Eric Nyameche MPP time okay be 2022 what is MPP maybe in atem Pentecost asafo mami me say ABY enye me nwanwa because it is appearing say Mampeni Mahama the code of conduct na the gu akwan mu say the apprentice ni so no ono anka so mfa nya dwuma nti assembly say we see mfa nya hwe na ABY we ni krom na deputy chief of staff e pega soja ni a o say uniform ne boni a waya na say o twa video of Mampeni e de akoto Ghana Armed Forces for website so o pega ne to ne twene yet the other one video no stand up as na make you o pega ne to ne twene baby ana wan pega na njuna everyone o pega defend a civilian na wa pega military person ato na twene no mo party ni kasa no aye one too many Malik Basintali ye beto aba otimi Fred Dr. Baomia pokum amia tina tam kan sem fi en sem asabi minti na fidie so ABY en fama nonka na apology no san come review na ABY de make Mampeni Mahama I can bet on Oduma we say oh opa ma member video no say Ghana for feel sa asem no kan ye no anko ya opa ho chew no watwe asan say Ghana for feel na wo ko tena fie na wo ye maame a wawu ankwada hye wase a wo tete om no sa ka say we na de betete om na waso wa foforo so a Pentecost asafo and the other Pentecost why NDC for them and I'm telling you on authority say Mampeni Mahama onye maame we hwe I'm telling you everywhere opa me hwe opa Mampeni take action you say ono ani code of conduct we gina so ka say no bia mu o mpenifo anintia wo man mu yen hwe say Mampeni Mahama de be adwuma. It is a clear endorsement of the system.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the aura has nothing. The aura is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember?
Problem. But Oba so fooding and away and or solitiamo and away and or cutiamo, Nanswene, mobile yen, mamma and a coin or bobon paya. That's a say a young
bufu air time. Sabi nyansa biani wa ewom. Tikrom hair crab bro free Brazil. Honorable Nyamin Shirao. Mokra mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton omo no baye enya sika to omo botom no koko akuafo mo pagya omo koko buom etua omo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada omo abapem ne kuani nsanka ne sika na mo de mo tete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye we need you people on the ground ye hear mo grounds. Yeah, here mo ground. Na Ghana for su, Ghana for gadi for su, Ghana for kuya for su. Asuku for nkwa de su. We need you people on the ground. Adwumanu wo form. Wo ko form ho a. Sani akuya for kan omo ha no. Na Ghana for hu sampa. Weni no ma ekoso. Ya TV station so na mo kwa omo ya dollar hu debate. Dollar rate hu debate. Adi emfaso na de owa kwasimintim ne e wote adwira kwa medanso dora wo eye wo na brabom emfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so ye hia mo grounds ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu man yo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes John Mahama ni nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ni nyina akogu adie me nua no mo amugu sirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se John Mahama o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua me ya wawie asa akuafo ye adwuma ehia atofo da bi ewasi yakwa krabro free Brazil na ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburu ye tikrom ha ye nya banya wose wo ntoga na Brazil wo wasase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo wasase chen Ghana Brazil wasase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto abru afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire Addo forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil abro na ye akronfo Brazil wasase ya de do abro papa chen Ghana wo wasase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akronfo aban Brazil wasase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame na NDC ntiase ese munya special I'm be honest here I'm fa me honye example say mpanimfo no bi me fra mu amonfa no me hia wo hwi o anabisi o Minu aba hanabisi me ka se minu aba because me maame firstborn ewo 54 years ono ye pe enti wo ye minu aba pani 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview wa how maame me twa interview me no na me ne wo ntam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na eye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born me nua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma this ready a me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma this ready a me de to ma me wanim e free ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me se no message a you don't even read me nim se me frɛ wo asɛm o wadwen ye o se me besrɛ wo me wan so me nsrɛ skada me NDC ni bia di ko amatwefo na afrɛ no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman frɛ me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again, me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor Agyeta, which of course Agyeta e onu akasa na komemu e na odi chair me mansre no menya sesrefo enti ye fremu na se mo mfa e mama dwen nyam se ye fremu se ye hia bibi o fefe na efe se me no ntembe kama fefe na efe se ye na ye adwumaden enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka what have they gotten? Nothing. I can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean to me because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barre. When they create do at pantimu. No problem. me ano so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de montena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene ohene baba oba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se ye frem okura mo mfa biem Nurudi na bas mu nyina na ye ne mu a na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o gyan nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president Mahama ye wadamfo wo ye obi a wo ne no country musam ni